Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've already entered safe mode, now act. First, recreate the failure window by checking Reliability Monitor and Event Viewer. This gives error codes and timestamps. Once done, list recent driver installs, Windows updates, and apps from the past 24 to 72 hours. Those are the usual culprits. Make sure to enable Network Safe Mode only if you need downloads. Finally, take a quick screenshot or photo of the stop code. It guides the next fixes and saves trial and error time. Now you'll reverse likely causes. Open Device Manager and roll back or uninstall drivers updated around the error timestamp. Graphics and storage drivers are prime suspects. Next, run sfc/scano. If problems persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch intact system files. Once system files are checked, use Task Manager's Startup tab to disable non-essential apps. This isolates conflicts. If you removed a driver, reboot into normal mode to test. If the blue screen disappears, you've pinpointed the issue. Finish by restoring system state. Try System Restore to a restore point before the error. This undoes changes without touching personal files. If that fails, perform a repair install using the Media Creation tool. Select Keep Personal Files to preserve data. Once complete, update drivers from vendor sites, not automatic suggestions. If problems continue, make a note of the stop code and the minidump file path and attach those files when seeking help. They dramatically speed diagnosis and prevent repeated fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.